Chapter Why ICP is the future of Web3, explained simply. Alright, let's talk about the Internet Computer or ICP. No, not the band, the blockchain. This is one of the most ambitious projects in crypto today. Imagine a blockchain that's not just for coins or tokens, but that actually lets you build apps, like social media, games, full-on marketplaces, directly on-chain. That's the Internet Computer. ICP was founded by Dominic Williams, backed by top venture capital. Since launching in 2021, it's been rethinking the internet. No centralized cloud servers, no middlemen, just decentralized power. So, what's actually running on the Internet Computer right now? Let's break it down. First, DeFi, Sonic, Infinity Swap, lightning-fast swaps with zero gas fees. We're talking 1-second transaction finality, which is wild. Then there's NFTs. The lead artist from Bored Ape Yacht Club dropped a new collection here, taking advantage of massive file sizes and lower fees. And Origin, the NFT marketplace, hit a $300 million valuation, thanks to support from people like Paris Hilton and Bill Ackman. Gaming? Absolutely. Metasports Basketball lets you use your NFTs to play and compete in a Metaverse Hoops League. For social, there's OpenChat, over 100,000 users messaging on-chain. District is like a decentralized Facebook, and DSocial is the YouTube alternative where creators get rewarded fairly. Even email goes Web3 with Dmail. And if you want to jump into the metaverse, IC Gallery and Poke Studios are building immersive 3D worlds where NFTs come alive and trade hands for serious ICP. So if you believe in a future where the web is decentralized and truly owned by users, keep your eye on ICP. This isn't just another crypto, this could be the next internet. Watch this space. If you care about a decentralized web, ICP deserves a close look. Subscribe for more Web3 explainers, links in the description. See you next time. And keep watching ICP.